Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones outperformed the two other major indices as investors appeared to rotate out of tech and into financials and utilities, whilst the sell-off in Nvidia gathered pace. The Dow finished 0.67% higher, whilst the S&P 500 fell 0.31%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite slumped 1.09% for its worst day since April. The Dow broke away from other major indices supported by names such as Goldman Sachs and Chevron, which climbed more than 2% each on the day. JP Morgan gained 1.3% to also bolster the Dow. In other company news, the sell-off in AI giant Nvidia continued to gather momentum, with the stock closing 6.7% lower on the day. Despite the sell-off, shares are still up nearly 140% for the year. On the macro front, investor attention will now shift to key inflation data due out later this week. The personal consumption expenditures data for May is due to be released on Friday. This is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure and seen as a critical point for policy settings. In commodities news, Bank of America have upgraded their outlook for gold, the investment bank telling investors it sees a possible rally in the precious metal up towards $3,000 over the next 12 to 18 months. The bank cited a potential pickup in non-commercial demand and Fed rate cuts as key triggers. Turning to US sectors, the worst performer was technology, which closed down 2.07%. The best performer was energy, which finished 2.73% higher on the day. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. Thank you for listening and have a great day.